Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zaylee. Happy Easter, happy Good Friday. I hope you guys are all having a lovely 4 days off. I know I'm certainly going to be enjoying my days off. Now in today's video, I'm going to be filming for you guys my no makeup look. So this is the type of look that I go for when I'm, just kind of want something quick, something easy, something that just makes me look a little bit more put together, but really kind of minimal products. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I usually do when I'm wearing the least amount of makeup, which is hardly often. In all honesty, I'm kind of either nothing or just like everything full glam. Not very often am I in that in between, but when I do have days where I just want to kind of keep it cash, this is the type of look I generally go for. Let's just jump straight into the tutorial. I've already been babbling on way too much for you guys. So when I do my no makeup, I like to keep it pretty simple. So I'm just gonna first just kind of tuck my hair out of the way here. And the first product that I'm going to go in with, product that I've been loving so much lately, is the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. And I'm just going to first put some of that on my hands and straight on the face. I really still love this primer, guys. I think it definitely evens out the skin. I love the cooling sensation and it definitely fills in the pores. It's a really nice product. So I'm just going to warm that up and put it all over my skin. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to go in with is honestly it's just like a tinted, I would call it a tinted sunscreen, nothing more. It's only got the lightest amount of color. Sometimes I don't even do this step. But if I kind of want like just something a little more, this is the product that I go in with. This is the Fleur de Mer, if I'm saying that right, sunscreen in a foundation. So this has SPF of 50 and it is in shade light. So I'm just going to give this product a good shake before I use it, because it is, I find like if you don't give it a good shake, when it comes out, the foundation and the sunscreen kind of have separated. So definitely give this product a good shake. I'm just going to go in with my fingers with this product. So I'm just going to put just a little, just about that much on my hand, and I'm going to work this into my skin. So it just really gives just the smallest amount of coverage. And I'm not even really doing this for the coverage, guys. It's more just like the SPF factor. And the thing that I really like about this product is it has a really nice luminosity to it. I always actually get so many compliments whenever I wear this product, and people always say to me, oh wow, your skin looks so glowy and it looks so soft. And that's what I like about this product, is it really is next to no coverage. It just gives a nice luminosity to the skin and does kind of even those little bits out. Okay. Just wipe what's rest on my pants. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to go in with is brows. So I really like my brows. I really like a bold brow, and I think I've said this in previous videos, guys, but I really love powders. So the product that I'm going to go in with today, like I think I have with every video, is my Pony Cosmetics Brow Powder in shade 2. And I've just got this for a mirror. So really, yeah, I don't like to go too bold or anything crazy with the brows on natural days, but I definitely still like to fill them in and, just have them looking a little bit more put together. Tapping off any little bits of that moisturizer that wasn't blended in. Okay, so I'm just dipping into my brow powder and I'm just slightly filling in those brows. I'm so excited. My brow lady has been on maternity leave and she's about to return. I haven't had my brows done in over a month because I've just been waiting for her to come back, and I did go to somebody else in between, but it just wasn't the same. So I'm so happy she's returning back to work. So I'm just kind of lightly filling the brows in, nothing too crazy. Usually I do tint my brows, so if my brows were freshly tinted, honestly, I probably wouldn't even bother putting anything in them. It's only because they haven't been tinted in so long, they're quite light, that I just want to bring a little bit more color back into them. So I'm just kind of focusing mostly on the outer half, and then anything that's left over, and just run that through the very front of my brow. Now, I obviously have reasonably thick brows. I think that's pretty safe to say. But the thing that I lack is like, I don't like my tail. Like I don't really have that much of a tail of a brow. The hairs just kind of stop growing. So I like to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is this actually called? Brow Wiz. This is a brow pencil. I think everybody has seen this product before. If I can, oh, what's happening? Okay, here we go. So disorganized. And I just like to use this and just do a few strokes, just some soft strokes, to just create a little more of a tail. Because otherwise it just kind of looks a little odd, like I'm just, yeah, without a tail I just feel like it still looks, yeah, a bit strange. So I'm just using that pencil to create the tail of the brow. I just feel like you can't get that same look with the powder, so that's where I really like this product. It comes in handy. And then of course we have to set the brows no matter what, even on no makeup days or no makeup days. I always need to somehow set the brow. So I'm going in with this one. Isn't my most favorite brow product, only in the sense that it's not as like, it doesn't have that, like I usually like use the Givenchy Mr. Brow Groom or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and those are like cement. They really set your eyebrows like cement, they ain't moving. But with this product, I find like it just isn't as long wearing, it doesn't have as strong as a hold, but because I'm not going full face, I'm just kind of keeping everything pretty natural, I'm more than happy to just use a product like this on a day like today. So I'm just running that through my brows. Comment down below, guys, and tell me what you guys are getting up to over the Easter break. Do you go away? Do you stay home? Or do you celebrate with your family? Like, what are your traditions? I'd love to know. Let me know down below. Okay, so that's how I'm looking with the brows set. Okay. Pushing that all aside so you guys can't see this mess. I personally love blush. I just think blush brings so much more color back into the face. So I don't really own any cream blushes. I have in the past, but I found that I've never really used them, so I've passed them on. But I would really like to experiment more with cream blushes. So I don't have any creams today, but I do have this Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop in Melon Pop. I just think that blush just gives that kind of natural flush. So even on no makeup days, I like to put just a slight bit of blush on, and this one's just a nice like corally kind of color, nice and peachy. And I've just got my Sigma, what is this, my F40. So I'm just going to tap into here, tap off the excess and smile. And I'm just going to just put a little bit of this on the very kind of apples on my cheek, swooping it back. Perfect. And of course, a look wouldn't be complete without some highlights. So I've pulled out an old favorite of mine. I actually was thinking about this yesterday and I was like, I haven't used this product in so long. I need to get it back out again. This was actually the first highlighter. I'm pretty sure it was either this or the Mary Luminizer, but this was either the first or second highlighter I ever purchased. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. I think, you know, this is such a standout product. It was such a cult fave back in the day. Like when I was 18 watching YouTube videos, everybody had this highlighter and it is stunning. And I've honestly used so much of it. Like you can kind of, I think that's picking up on camera, you can kind of see the indentation in the middle, but it's like, I swear to God, I could use this product every single day and it will still never go down. So I've just got here my Morphe M501 and I'm just going to tap in, rub into the product, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the cheekbones. I'm kind of just like really going in with the highlighter because it is such a soft shade. It's nothing too overpowering. It doesn't matter if you're a little heavy-handed. The Cupid's bow. And my idea of a no makeup look may not be the same as everybody else's. Of course, customize this to the way that you like. But this is just like what I like to do. Like when I think of no makeup, this is me. Now, there's only 2 steps left and literally I'm done. Like when I want to do this, I can literally do it in 5 minutes. Super, super easy. It's only taking longer because I'm talking. So I'm just going to do my lips before I go into my eyes. So I have here the MAC. This is one of the lip gloss. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, MAC lip gloss in Lust. I love this shade. It's very natural. It's got enough pigment, but not so pigmented that it kind of looks funny. Like I feel like you probably could wear a pretty like vibrant color with this look and it wouldn't look too odd, but because I really want to keep it toned down and natural looking, I've gone for a very natural gloss. So it has a little bit of a tint, but nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to get my little mirror again. I'm just going to apply my gloss. And you guys can see how soft and natural that color is. I actually won $1,000 worth of MAC lip products last year in an Instagram competition. So, I mean, I already owned a fair few MAC lipsticks anyway, but I never had tried the lip glosses before. So I'm so grateful that I won because I really, really like these. I think I own about 4 or so of them now. And they're actually really, really nice glosses. If you're looking for a good gloss, I highly recommend the MAC lip glosses. They come in so many different shades. They're super long wearing. They're not like super gloopy. Like you can see that when I'm moving my lips around, you know how sometimes you have that like awful like stringiness. Nothing like that. It's got a really nice sheen to it. They've got beautiful colors. Now my last step is just to simply do mascara, and I just do a little bit to my top lashes. I don't do anything on the bottom lashes. I don't use any bronzer. I don't dust anything into my crease. This is literally it for me. Like this is my no makeup. So I've got my trusty Tarte lash curler. I've said this before and I'll say it again. If you don't own an eyelash curler, you need to invest in one. This was probably one of the best discoveries for me in 2017. I've never tried any other lash curlers, so I can't really speak for those, but just curling your lashes in general, it just really does change the game. I'm truly a big believer in curling your eyelashes. I've never found that it's like ruined my lashes. I've never lost lashes because of it. I always do it before mascara, never after. I definitely wouldn't encourage anybody to curl their lashes after mascara. I know some people do it. I wouldn't recommend that, but I really do believe it makes a massive difference curling your lashes before you go in with mascara. And then the mascara that I'm going in with today is also another Tarte product. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I really, really like this. So I'm just going to curl one lash at a time and apply. The thing that I like about this curler too is I feel like it gets like the whole lashes. It doesn't pinch. It's super great. So I'm just going to do a few coats of mascara. Okay guys, so that's the finished look. This is it. This is what I do when I just want to be a little bit more put together, but I really don't want to go to much effort. And yeah, it's quick, it's easy. Like I said, it usually takes me about 5 minutes unless I'm rambling away like I am today. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I hope that you get something from this. I hope you try it out yourself. Yeah, you know, it's nice to kind of just let your skin breathe a little bit and just to kind of, yeah, not always be like so full glam and just, yeah, enhance what you naturally have. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that little notification bell as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It means so much to me. I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm creating and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.